Salut les gens, mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à un autre épisode de SPiiKA Savoir. Nous sommes ici pour vous aider à bien parler le français. I know it's not your language, but we're here to help you speak French and speak it right. So, if you're ready, alors c'est parti. Today we're going to look at this expression, very simple expression, which is je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. It means I don't know. Very often you hear je sais pas. Je sais pas. Okay? Very simple. So you say it to indicate if you're unaware of something. Okay? You're unaware of something. You don't know, you don't know. Okay? I hope you understand. Let's look at some examples. Je ne sais pas s'il viendra ou pas. I don't know whether he'll come or not. Exemple 2. Il fréquente quelle école? Je ne sais pas. Which school does he attend? I don't know. Okay? So, now repeat after me. Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. Alright, so let's try the informal one. Je sais pas. Je sais pas. And you know, like, by reflex, you sort of shrug a bit. You know, je sais pas. I don't know. So, I believe this is a phrase you can quickly integrate even into your English vocabulary. So when someone asks you a question in English and you don't know, you can say, je sais pas. Show off your French, you know, the little French you know. Alright, thank you very much for watching. That brings us to the end of this episode of SPiiKA Savoir. Don't forget, c'est en forgeant qu'on devient forgeron. Keep practicing, practicing, practicing. Alright, so see you next time. Bye bye, au revoir.